I recently received a phone call from someone who told me that I owed a significant amount of money to the IRS and that if I didn't pay them within the next 72 hours that they were going to send someone to arrest me, and that I should go to a nearby drugstore and get a bunch of gift cards and send those to them. Now, I confess it made me smile, because as a tax attorney, I'm fairly familiar with the process that's used in order to accomplish these things. And it isn't somebody calling and asking for gift cards. And the IRS never sends someone to arrest you unless you really are involved in criminal activity. So, a couple of things to understand when you're trying to determine when you get calls or emails or text messages about these kinds of things, and you will. The first one, the IRS, the Social Security Administration, the state taxing agencies, whoever it is, they will send you written notice in a letter that says, we think you owe us money. So when you get it, you will know. And then afterwards, they'll send you more notices, but they don't call. Unless they specifically say they're going to, they do not ever call taxpayers. And they never demand payment over the phone. And they never demand gift cards. In fact, they don't accept gift cards as a form of payment. So you'll receive notice first when those kinds of things happen. You also should be aware that the IRS and the state taxing agencies never send emails. It's not an approved method of communication for them, so that you will always get a letter. You can disregard any email that says you owe taxes to somebody, because you know that's a scam. And the same thing is true when it comes to sending someone to arrest you. That will never happen unless you truly are involved in criminal activity. But you'll know about it first because you've received letters and been aware of the circumstances. Now, if you have questions about something that you've received and whether or not it's legitimate, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you sort it out. But be careful and understand that there are only certain things that the IRS and the state agencies do. And so when someone calls you with something weird, you can dismiss it as a scam.